Welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. We are always creating amazing recipes in here. Healthy, but always totally delicious. And today is no exception. We are going to create a juice here with the Kuvings C7000 cold press juicer that will really freshen your morning. It is one of my favorites. It is an apple juice, but it has extra sparkle and a little bit of tingle as well. Yum, yum. We have apples. Green apples, I like to put them in. They give a little bit of a tingle, a lot of nutrition, of course. We have a couple of slices of lemon, skin on. We have a handful of parsley and some mint leaves. We've all heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that is so true. It's a really great start. But if you've never tried juicing lemon with the skin on, you must try it. It is so invigorating and honestly one of my favorite things to juice. Parsley is really great for your lungs, and mint, of course, helps you to breathe better and freshens your breath as well. The C7000 cold press juicer is my juicer of choice today. It was recommended by Choice magazine, not only because it is incredibly quiet, but a cold press juicer actually helps you to extract more juice and less of the pulp and fibre, which means you're getting more juice for your money, which I absolutely love. So let's get started. First up, I like to put all of the greens in, and we'll pop the machine on. Pop in the mint, pop in the parsley. There we go. Our slices of lemon help to push all of that through. That's all blending and juicing in there, and you'll be able to see the green colour coming out. And then, one by one, we will add our apples. There we go. The C7000 has a wide mouth, so if you don't or can't cut up your apples for any reason, you can actually pop them in whole. There you go. Now, if you can see up close there, all of those flavours and juices are being extracted, they're being pressed through, and they're all spinning around inside, having a little happy dance, getting really acquainted, making a really beautiful juice, really nice flavour. That colour is just amazing. Now we're going to lift the smart cap. Wow. We are going to try this one. So fresh and minty. Yum, yum. Cheers. That is just divine. I could drink that all day. Remember, it always tastes better with a Kuvings. If you would like to win one of these awesome Kuvings juices, then head straight to the Kuvings website, enter your details, and you could win. Good luck.